Can you guess how much I got this dresser for? Let's take another look at it. Doesn't look very exciting, does it? Do you think I overpaid for it? Guess what? Would you believe me if I told you that I got this dresser for free? Yes, that's right, for free. I got this really nice looking dresser from Facebook Marketplace for free, and it only cost me about 20 minutes of my time to go pick it up. Within the last couple of weeks, I've really gotten myself interested into flipping furniture, so I was definitely on the lookout for something to work on as soon as possible. By the time I started working on this particular dresser, I had already acquired quite a few other pieces of furniture to work on. As you can see in the video, I've become quite the furniture hoarder. I got all of these in hopes to flip all of them, but by the time I started working on this particular dresser, my sister had come home from college for Thanksgiving, and I was feeling very generous as it is the season of giving, and I wanted to give her this dresser. It was the nicest piece of furniture that I had in my little fleet, my little collection. The drawers move in and out really nicely. The only thing wrong with this dresser was it had a little bit of water damage up on top. So what I had done was I sanded the top with 150 grit. Then I was able to paint it. I used a paint called Beyond Paint that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. Paid about 45 bucks for the bottle that I got. And what's really cool about the paint is there's no stripping or sanding required. You can just roll on the paint onto any sort of furniture, but of course make sure your furniture piece is clean prior to doing that. Here are some pictures of the finished product. Up top, I did a really cool design. I used 4 different colors. I used a pinkish red, a white, a brownish tan, and then I had the blue-gray top coat underneath of it all. And then I did end up sealing the top of the piece.
Dang, that's a shot, Gert. Hey, did you see the...
Hey, if you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below today. Join me back next week for another video just like this. See if this newbie can make any profit in the furniture flipping game, and just follow along, see what I create. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope to see you back here again next week. Thanks a lot and take care.